If you want to unlink your Netflix account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process can help you manage your privacy and account settings more effectively. Step 1. Open Facebook settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account, including Netflix. Step 3. Find Netflix in the list. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Netflix. Click on it to view the details of the connection and the permissions granted. Step 4. Remove Netflix access. Once you have selected Netflix, look for the option that says Remove or Remove App. Click on this option to unlink your Netflix account from Facebook. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the removal. Step 5. Check Netflix account settings. After unlinking, log into your Netflix account. Go to your account settings and ensure that your Facebook login option is no longer available. You may want to update your login method if necessary. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Netflix account from Facebook. This will help you maintain better control over your online accounts and privacy settings.